Hey folks, welcome back to Simple Details. Today we're going to be discussing a topic or a question that I get a lot. What's the best way to protect satin paint? We have the brand new Mercedes G63, otherwise known as the G-Wagon. This is actual paint. You've probably heard me say on multiple occasions in previous vlogs, this paint is very, very unforgiving. We cannot treat this paint like we would any typical gloss paint. Let's say, for instance, we have a gloss paint. If it gets swirled, we have our paint correction services. It gets a rock chip, we can do rock chip repair. And if you get any water spotting or any paint etchings from any acidic elements, such as bird droppings, tree sap, bug guts, those types of things, we can correct that with a paint correction or even wet sand it if we have to go very, very aggressive. All of those remedies to go ahead and correct those defects are not applicable to this type of finish. So what do? We can purchase a vehicle with this finish, drive it, and then hope for the best, or you can protect it. Now you can do a ceramic coating on this, but it's only going to protect it from certain things. When it comes down to acidic elements, when it comes down to staining, paint etching, it will help with protecting it from those types of things. But then of course, when it comes down to abrasive damage, such as scratches, swirl marks, and any kind of rock chips, this paint is still susceptible and prone to damage. Best way to protect it. Only sure way to go ahead and protect this is to go ahead and wrap it with paint protection film. With that satin paint protection film, it will not look any different than what it looks like now. It will not change the appearance, it will not change the type of sheen, it will not change anything. But now it will be protected against everything that I just mentioned. That sacrificial layer of that paint protection film will take the beating, it will take the abuse, and then of course, if anything happens to get damaged, all it takes is for you to bring it back in, we remove the film and then replace it. The paint underneath will be sound. The satin paint is an additional option that you normally have to pay more. It looks great, it looks different, but it comes with a whole different set of headaches, and there's a certain way to protect it unless you're planning on parking it and never driving it ever again. Only sure way that we would recommend will be to protect the whole entire car with paint protection film.